As promised, I'm going to show you how to bring links from a folder by Control A, the files in the folder, then hold the Shift key and then right click and select Copy as Path. Then go to Excel and then paste. That would be the paths to where these are. Now let's make our hyperlinks so that we can click on a link and then it will take us to the document. Simply, I'm going to use the hyperlink function. Then I'm going to click my arrow up and fill it down. All right, let's test this. I'm going to click on the link and here it is. That's a link to this PDF. This can be done with more than PDFs. Any document that you can access via the path, you can open it using a link from Excel. You can also go into another sheet and then type equals, hyperlink, open parentheses, and then navigate to the location where the path is. Close the parentheses, hit enter, press the up arrow, and then fill down. And you will have these links now on a different sheet. You could hide that sheet, and now you only have one sheet with the links. I did this by right-clicking, hiding, and unhiding the sheet. You can also hide the column by selecting the column and then selecting hide. And if you want to look at it again or display the column again, you would go ahead and hide the column. Now I'm going to show you how to do this on a Mac. On the upper left, I have text edit. On the right, I have Excel. And on the bottom left, I have a folder showing me the files that I want to create paths for. So I go to the folder and I want to go ahead and obviously select these paths and then put them into text edit and then get them from edit to Excel. All right. Command All will select all the files. And I go to text edit and I select format, make plain text. Then I go back to the folder, hold the name or the icon and drag those into the text editor. Then Command A to select them all, Command C to copy them, and then I Command V to paste them. And that's how you create the paths. Then I use the hyperlink function again. Open the parentheses, send it to the reference, close the parentheses, hit enter, move the arrow going up, and then fill down. And we can test it. Let's click on one of those links. In this case, it was a PNG file that opens when I click the link. So I have successfully shown you how to make links from an Excel document from files that are in folders.